I think I am ready. I'm not sure if I've got everything. So it is my outfit today, my new wool coat, because it is just 3 degrees. I've got my leather skirt, I've got my Timu tights, and I've got my new boots in size 37. I can't believe this. I prepare for a new scarf because I want, this is the Louis scarf and I really love the scarf, but I wanna have like the white creamy scarf that will match to everything. This is like two-sided, so I've got like almost white on the one side and the beige on the other side. I'm not sure if I need any sunglasses or glasses, I will check, but weather, it is so beautiful. The worst in the winter, it is my hair, because they're not actually the worst, but the worst it is how to just take care of them, because they are under the hat, in the scarf. I've got like the roll necks and so many fabrics around my head, and just my hair are always like a bit damaged. Yesterday I washed them really late, and actually they're like, not really, but they're a bit curly, and that's fine. I am so happy that I'm going just a little break away. Just sometimes, you know, like 2-3 days are just enough to just refresh your mind, just to experience something new, especially that I would like to go and for the Christmas fair. And I think this is gonna be something really cool. The next year is good. I have already like my calendar. It is a bit full about the things what I'm planning in the next year, but we will see. Just I hope that everything will go as I want. If not, it means that something better is waiting for me for sure. over. I must say I'm not feeling really well, but I hope I'll be okay.